TikTok Lite Japan, the 2026 Imitation Guide. So here why TikTok Lite rules Japan in 2026. Top rankings, TikTok Lite dominates the Japan App Store, holding top position in entertainment and grossing categories through mid-2026. Weird mechanism, unlike the global version, Japan's illustration features specialized point-based rewards and turning casual viewing into engaging activity, and strategic edge, faster load times, and linear footprint make it a preferred choice for Japanese-powered users over the full app. Mastering the download and setup, official access, download exclusive via the App Store or Google Play Store. Under 20 MB install and verify the publisher, confirm the official TikTok PTE.ltd. And performance and engagement hacks, data saver mode. Reduce data consumption by 20% while streaming high quality content, and clean view and auto scroll. Immersive yourself with a clean view mode for unobstructed viewing and enable auto scroll for hands-free browsing. Creator editing suite. Upload the high resolution with professional grade filter directly from your mobile gallery. No desktop needed. So the future of a lean social. TikTok Lite is no longer just a budget alternative. It's a preferred platform for Japanese power users who demand speed, rewards, and efficiency. Download, grab the official 2026 updated from your app store. Optimize, enable data saver, clean view and reward features, and create experience the fastest, lightweight to join global trends. And there you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, sabi daw, comment below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you guys.